Accept the challenge. It's a lot. It's a celebration.
Siguro dito na kami.
How much your name?
Your name?
Oh my God! Iba ang gagawin ko ice coffee na.
Ay, kaiba. Unique.
Ito ay caramel macchiato pala.
Caramel macchiato? Excited na ako dyan
Sa lahat ng gustong magpagawa sa akin ng kape,
Oh.
bukas ang pinto ni Kabar.
Ay, pwede.
Bukas ang pintuan ni Coffee Barbie.
Ay, ang ganda nun. Coffee Barbie. Ooh, it's so yummy. Wow. I love it. It's giving sugar extravaganza.
Nakita ko parang meron ka nilagay na Nor Cubes.
Ang OA ng Nor Cubes. Walang Nor Cubes yan. It's, diba? It's giving!
Dapat may straw yan kasi dapat
Siya masarap.
How was it?
Oh my God, it tastes sinigang. Oh! Welcome back sa akin channel!
So kasama natin si Barbie today dahil gagawa siya ng
Dirty Ice Coffee!
Ba't dirty?
Kasi ayoko na eh. Kasi pag edit yan parang ang dumi. Kaya ano na
ay,
ako.
alam mo na agad. Advance ka na.
Advance. Happy birthday.
So dapat habang bumibili, ay may challenge ako sa iyo. Dapat habang bumibili ka ng mga ingredients mo, English only challenge. Pag na ano mo, may 100 ka. Pag hindi ka nakapag-Tagalog ng 5 dapat 5 lang yung ano mo, yung mistake. Tapos habang ginagawa mo siya dapat English din.
Go.
So, you accept the challenge?
Yeah.
So, I accept the challenge.
Accept the challenge. It's a lot. It's a celebration.
Siguro dito na kami.
Hello, Kuya. Good evening.
What's your ingredients? You can get na.
You get one more. Ito
Oh.
na lang. Magkano to, Kuya?
Oh, mali ka na agad. That English lang.
How much? How much your name?
Your name? How much?
How much, Kuya? Only?
Oh, dalawa na kuya. Sabi mo kuya.
Only, sabi ko, only
48.
Ibabalik natin.
Ano ba mga ingredients mo sa ice coffee mo?
You get milk.
Ay, kailangan ng milk. Ilan?
4.
Ay, 4.
Ay, ano lang?
All ano lang. Well, tatlo na yung 3.
Wow! Here!
Wow!
Here! Ito yun.
Ito yan. Oh, ito yun. Mali na agad. 4 na yung mali mo.
Magkano isa yun?
Nagkagalag na. Wala ka ng premyo.
Ha? Magkano?
13. Go.
Tapos ito.
Oh, ang gatas. Tapos,
Hindi naman natin.
ilan pa?
Tapos, ito ako kayo ng coffee.
Ano na yung English? O mamaya na pag ginagawa mo na yung English.
Wag na, dito na kasi nahihirapan.
Go.
Actually, you get 3 pieces to coffee Barako.
The stick? The stick 1? The kape stick?
Yeah, here.
3, 4?
I get 2, 4, 6.
6. Oh, that's enough.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, that's it?
You will transfer by bank.
That's it? Or cash? You pay cash.
You pay cash. How much?
You pay cash. How much?
Oh my God. Magkano ko? 170. Oh my God! Only 170.
17?
Yeah.
Oh, it's very cheap.
Yes.
It's so mura.
Ano yan? This sponsor ni Maria Mong Cutie.
And we don't have ice.
Yeah, you go buy ice. And iba ang gagawin ko ice coffee na.
Ay, kaiba. Unique.
Ano, ito ay Spanish latte.
Ay!
Ay, caramel macchiato pala.
Caramel macchiato? Ano, excited na ako dyan, Oh, so, ang next natin bibiliin ay ice.
Ice.
Saka?
Ice tapos actually
Ano pa mga kailangan?
Actually wala.
Ice na lang.
Ice na lang.
Ooh,
Yeah.
may ice ba kayo, kuya? Ano, ice cube or buong ice?
For me, ice cube. Kasi
Para
the cubes is
it's easy to mix.
yeah, okay.
Ooh.
I really you good job.
So, bibili na kami ng we're gonna buy a ice. Then, you want kwek-kwek? Sobra naman yung ano natin. So, we're gonna buy a kwek-kwek. So, guys, we're gonna merienda mo first before we go to
Iced coffee.
We're gonna searching for ice. And what you gonna buy? What's that? What kind of food is that?
Kwek.
Ooh, the orange.
Yes, the Filipino food.
Ooh.
Too hot.
And where we're gonna buy a ice?
Yes. Before you buy ice, you go home na kasi sobrang init eh.
It's okay na we're gonna outside, but you're gonna sunscreen first because sunscreen is the most important thing put in our face before our going out, right? So we're gonna buy a ice. So
How was it?
we don't have ice cube.
Pero
It's
yung
good.
it's
We're
good.
gonna crack na lang.
You go puk. Okay lang. Plastic man kami sa inyong paningin. Nare-recycle pa to.
Oy!
Libre na to eh.
Panty reveal. That panty reveal.
Kung
Panty.
gusto, sa lahat ng gustong magpagawa sa akin ng kape,
Oh.
bukas ang pinto ni Kabar.
Ay, pwede. Paano pag papadeliver
Ano?
sila galing Davao?
Kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng coffee, okay lang. Bukas na bukas ang pintuan ni Coffee Farm.
Ay, ang ganda nun. Coffee Barbie. Magkano yon?
Actually, mura lang. Mga 50 pesos meron kayo.
Ay, totoo.
Yes. Kapag gusto mo naman ng ng cappuccino with combo with the frogs, they're only 80 pesos.
Wow!
And ang pinaka best seller ko is matcha coffee.
Magkano yan?
They're only 60 pesos.
Ay, napakamura.
Siyempre, pagbukas natin, mura lang.
Ingredients Barbie, what's that?
The milk.
Huh?
The milk.
The milk?
Yeah. First, the hot water with milk.
Ay, yun na.
Yeah. And before milk, you go mix, and no bubbles. Is that okay?
Oh.
Okay. Actually, how was it?
It's good.
That's good. I'm fine to the body we love.
Ooh, that's yummy.
The milk.
The milk. Oh, I love the nails.
I love the color. Basing na lang.
Nice your nails.
So,
Oh, after that,
you get hot water
and
you join me. In here. And after magbabalik na lang kami kapag
we're back.
we're back after the taste test.
After the mixing.
After the mixing and gonna preparation
And we're gonna back.
and gonna back and please support our YouTube channel. Hello mga ka-farms! Pakapin na kayo dyan.
So, ayun. Dito, go.
And you go mix and the hot water is fine. Stop.
And then,
Like a minute. And here, this spatula is that's cold.
how are you gonna mix it together? Oh.
Hawa? Oh, the gara. Parang ano ko, another water. May mga, yan dito sa
And it's good.
It's good. Or no? Actually, yummy na to kasi you go, ano ba pagdigdag? Hindi siya pagdigdag.
You
You add sugar extravaganza.
Oh, it's a very sweet.
Yeah. And actually, the truffle is yung nasa karton na gatas talaga to. Pero ako na homemade lang to.
Ay, ano lang, sarili.
Sarili
Paano
lang.
pag may gumaya?
Gaya-gaya ka.
Oh, it's good.
It's good.
Or no?
No, this is na yan, buo-buo. And our vac, where the vac? Wait.
And what the next step?
And the next step is
The ice. And then, you're gonna mix that?
yeah. Actually, more, ano pa nga dapat eh? For
What? And the hot water.
yeah.
Oh, it's enough to only. How about this?
You get,
Scratch?
yeah, you go,
Who's the knife?
and here, ilan na tayo?
We need this.
Ito yung mga pinakamagastos. Kasi yun. What's that? Oh my God! Kakamayin.
Nice.
Actually, hindi siya nagpapakul. So, parang ang dami yan. Actually po,
Ang ganda, nag-mix siya.
yeah, actually.
Ay, isa-isa lang?
Yeah. One scoop po ako. Kasi matapang siya eh. Actually. And yeah, the final look.
So, papatikim na sa atin ni Barbie.
How is-
So, anong name niya?
Cappuccino.
The caramel macchiato.
Matcha 2.
And you go mix and
I'm gonna mix
then you
it.
screw it.
Oh, I love it, the mixing motion. I love it so much. And the texture,
It's giving.
ice.
Yeah.
It's combination of the summer.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm gonna taste this na. If hindi siya maganda, ibubugaw sa iyo ah.
Go.
Sige go.
That's it.
Ooh, it's so yummy. Wow. I love it. It's giving sugar extravaganza.
Nararamdaman mo ba yung
I
caramel?
love it. It's giving caramel vibes. Yeah, so
Lalo na kapag may
with
straw.
love.
Yes. Yung straw kasi dapat, yun yung unang matitikman mo, yung caramel. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa pinakababa.
Ay, ganun siya. Pero sarap. Promise, walang halubilo. Sarap.
Kasi,
200 pesos mo lang, no?
yes. Actually, 150 kasi
Ay,
kumain
oo.
tayo ng kwek-kwek. And next,
Approve. I love it so much. Thank you, Barbie.
always welcome. Kaya magtatayo na ako ng Happy Barbs. Happy Barbs.
Coffee barbs. Perfect.
Tingin mo na mukha, Barbs. Tingin mo na mukha.
Haggard yan.
Haggard. Paano mag-deliver ng ano? Paano mag-deliver ng coffee?
Ganito dapat. Actually, ganito. And
Kanino yan?
Up next,
Kanino yan?
the Mama Ayala.
Are you gonna taste this, the bar?
Kanay.
Anong pangalan niyan?
The
Anong pangalan?
Caramel Macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
Ay, sariling recipe.
Yes, sarili ko yan.
Ano mga nilagay mo dito? Nakita ko parang meron ka nilagay na Nor Cube.
Ang OA ng Nor Cubes.
wala,
Walang Nor
wala.
Cubes yan.
The only 150. The Caramel
Oh,
Macchiato.
di ba? It's giving!
Dapat may straw yan kasi dapat
Siya
yung caramel.
masarap. Parang sobrang tamis.
Actually,
Or feel ko dapat haluin ko.
Haluin mo pa kasi nasa ilalim.
Meron siyang pang-balance.
Ay, man.
The,
Ay,
ano,
extra
the
shot.
coffee.
Ay, may pa
Extra
ganyan.
shot.
Extra
Can I
shot.
have an extra shot, please?
Extra shot. Ang bet mo makape-kape ako na coffee lover ka talaga.
So, buga.
Ano?
You go taste.
Ay, parang siya yung ano, papalit kay ano.
Espresso tawag yan.
How's it?
Oh, you nailed it!
Ano pinagbago? Wait, di. Pwede
Ano?
ka na mag-ano, tayo din ng coffee shop.
Oh, anong pangalan? Anong pangalan?
Happy Barbs.
Oh, Cafe
Cafe
Barbs. Eh, masya ka.
Ayaw mo kape kong?
Hi, and up next is the,
Sino next?
the daughter.
Ano yung daughter?
The daughter.
This is mine.
Yeah. This is mine. And the
Ano
daughter.
daw next niya?
And next is the dollar. Let me taste it.
Oh, the daughter. You the daughter ka daw
Oh
niya.
my God, it looks
Dark
yes, daughter.
delicious.
Hindi yan nakahalo agad. Iba yan.
Ay,
So we're gonna be rating and giving our honest review.
Darn is a coffee lover. She
Yes.
loves. What's your favorite coffee?
My favorite coffee is a barista shot. It's Cafe Americano. With 2 shots of white mocha.
Yes!
With 2 shots of
May 2 shots siya, may 2 shots. Oh, Barbie, labas. Additional.
The additional 2 shot, the only 10 pesos. The 1 shot is 5.
Alright, so you're asking me to pay for the extra shots?
Yeah.
What do you call this coffee first?
You go taste test before.
Ay, what's the name of this? What's the
The
name?
caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
Caramel.
How is it?
How was it?
Oh my god, it tastes sinigang.
Oh!
Wait lang. I'm gonna give you an honest review. This actually tastes good. But as a coffee lover that loves really, a very strong taste of
Coffee.
coffee, this coffee is not for me. But for those native Filipino
Sweet.
who was born a legitimate citizen of the Philippines, I think they love sweet.
Kabwisit ka! Pwede naman ito nagdala mo yan, no?
Hindi, masarap siya.
Kasi pampabalance.
Oo, actually masarap siya, matamis.
Oo.
Pang Filipino.
Oo.
Kasi Filipino talaga loves
Si Darla kasi
sweet
gusto niya yung shots lang.
Actually, kaya ko to. Lagyan mo lang to ng ice.
Ganyan yung in-order niya lagi kay madam.
Ayun yung ginawa ko, tapos papalitan mo. Siya naman yung bansa.
Ikaw, Barbie, di mo pa natitikman yung gawa mo.
Excited mo yung manesa.
Ikaw naman, oh. Tikman mo na yung gawa mo naman.
And, sarap.
Ang daming jugasan niya, dahil jugasan.
Okay.
Ay, Kari, meron sa ilalim.
Meron nga sa kanya, may pa-effect ka. Off, go na.
How was it, Pansy?
Pansit, pansit. O, di ba naglasang pansit?
Actually, the balance.
may gatas, may asukal, may kape.
Sabi niya, original recipe niya. Lahat to binili mo, nakapack.
Gagawa nga siya ng business niya nga yan. Bukayo ka.
Ang ng business mo. Kala ko ikaw mismo mo.
Anong pangalan ng Barbie? Anong pangalan ng business mo?
Coffee bar.
Coffee bar. Coca nga daw eh. Ano yun niya?
Coffee Kong.
Coffee Kong.
Ayaw ko ng Coffee Kong.
Recommend. Hindi, kaduwat nila si Kylie Buel.
Ay, Coffee Kong.
Actually, wala si Mama Emma.
Kaya Coffee Goy.
Try mo na lang
Mama
mag-Emma
Coffee
na lang
Goy.
ito. Yes.
Ay, itatago mo sa rep?
Yeah, so tago ko siya. Nagtampo siya sa akin kagabi. Nagdabog siya.
Mahilig sa mait si Emma.
Actually, natin.
Eh, paano yan? O kanina yan?
Baka mo matatapon lang sa rep namin. Mabasa mo konti.
Matatapon.
Coffee Gong na lang. Coffee Gong.
Mali yung nakaroon na kiyalo.
That's